Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in 3ds Max modeling for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to discuss about compound objects. In the last video tutorial I have discussed about standard primitives, extended primitives, and today I am going to discuss about this term compound objects. So if you select compound objects, you will see some terms here like morph, scatter, conform, connect, blob mesh, shape merge, terrain, loft, measure, pro-boolean, pro-cutter, and boolean. So I will discuss each term and it will help you in understanding 3ds Max basic modeling. So it will help you a lot if you are architecture, interior design, or construction professional, or any other basic modeling learner. It will help you a lot. So I'm going to start with morph here. So before that we need to draw some basic steps using this standard primitives. So I'm going to start with one box here, and before that you can keep the segments same here like length, width, and height, and I will tell you the difference in morph. So I'm going to draw a box size here. You can enlarge it by Alt W, and I'm going to draw another box shapes here, and I will keep like this. And now I'm going to draw my third shape here, and in the third shape you can see all the segments are same. In the second also, in the first also, it's all 666. So I will tell you the difference in morph. So I'm going to select this third one, and then I will right click here, and I will convert this to editable poly. And after editable poly, you can see this selection here, and you select vertex, edge, border, and polygon. So I will make a detailed tutorial on what is editable poly. So for time being, you can select this polygon, and you can select any faces here. So suppose I'm going to select this one, and after this I will drag Ctrl Z, and you can drag this face like this, and I am changing this shape, and I will tell you the difference. And now these all are three different shapes having all the segments same here, 666. So now I am going to select my object here. So I am going to my this standard primitives, and I am going to select this one, and now I will move this to here, and I am going to my compound object, and you can see this morph is activated. And in the morph, you will select morph here, and you can see name and color. You can change the morph name here, box 002. And after this is pick target. So you have to select target for your morph, and you can make instance of this or copy. You can also make copy, reference, or move. So I'm going to select instance here, and you can see the current targets, morph targets, is in box 002. So I'm going to select this pick target, and now I'm going to select this object here, and you can see the previous object is changed to this current object. So this is the function of morph, and it is generally used to make animation of any objects and morphing. So I will tell you how you can do animation of this, and it will show the stage wise progress of your morphing. So I'm going to Ctrl Z here, and now I am going to select this animation here, and you can see this is the keyframe, and I'm going to make it to 100 here, and I will select auto key here, and your animation is activated. And now I'm going to select my morph here, and I'm going to pick a target, and I will select this object, and you can see this is changed to this object. Again I'm going to select this object, and it will be changed to this object. Again you will select this one, you can see it. So if you want to see the progress, you can play this animation. So I will tell you animation. If you play this, you will see the progress of this morphing, and you can make this animation in 3ds Max. So this is the basic function of this morph. So you can use whenever you want. It will help you a lot. So now I will tell you what is the difference. I'm going to stop this animation, and now I'm going to make another box here, and I will make another box here, and now I'm going to make a box of some other segment here. Suppose this segment is 6, I'm going to make 777, make use 7, 7 and 7. And now I'm going to draw another box here, and I'm going to put some other number of segments. So I'm going to change it to 9, 9 and 9. And now I'm going to select my first object here, and now we will see these all are different segments. So I'm going to tell you what is the difference. So I'm going to morph this. So I'm going to my compound object, and I'm going to select morph, and now I will pick target. And now if I'm selecting this different segment, this box, it's not getting targeted, and this will not change to morph. So you have to make sure that all the segment of your object should be same. So these are different segments, so I'm not able to change it to morph. So this is the basic understanding of this tutorial. So in the next session I will come with a scatter compound object. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.